Clarksville. What's going on, guys? It's the Gov over here at Renegade Racing, man. We got the man himself, James Rowlett, Boost the Burden over here with this crazy Camaro, man. I've been checking this thing out, man. Tell me what you got going on with this thing.
It's a 370 twin 67 VS Racing. It's got a air-to-air on it still because we want to still drive it. It's got a glide in it, PTC converter. I think it's like a 15.0 stator. Got a 9-inch. It's got a full interior. All the the back leather seat's still in it. It's got an 8 in the trunk, full stereo system. It's still all there. It had AC on it until I did this right here. It still had that. Still got the box. We decided to go ahead and just go a little farther.
Hey, that usually happens to the best of us, man. You start, you're gonna do one thing, and then it turns into another thing, and then before you know it, you're out of control.
I tried to keep the throttle back to not do that, so that's why I had AC on it, and I built the rear mount kit about 4 or 5 years ago. It had a rear mount 78.
Right.
It ran great, but he's like, man, I'm tired of screwing off. Let's go ahead and let her have it. So we did all this. I built it all, painted it all, made it all look good. Took our time.
Absolutely.
And the motor's still the same as it was. It's a 6-liter block 30 odor, got rods and pistons. Still got a stock intake on it, LS2 intake.
Right.
You still got a stock fuel tank in it.
Absolutely.
It's got triple pumps in it. Like I said, it's got wheel wood. It's got all the race cars get, but
exactly. But you can still get in it and be comfortable.
Kind of like your stuff.
Absolutely.
Still want to drive it.
Absolutely. Hey, I'm really loving this charge pipe though, man. This is absolutely awesome. Is this a wrap or is this actual cans? What do we got going on here?
This is me and Mike after we had too many Bud Lights decided we're going to hydro dip. So we wrapped it, and then it was kind of messed up, and I kind of
put the holly over
covered it up right there.
Absolutely.
We got some more. We're going to leave it like that, probably redo it just to make it look nice,
Absolutely.
But there's a lot of cost paint. It's got a lot of ICT village stuff on it. I mean, just it's got a Terminator X. It's in the stock location over there.
Right.
If you want to look inside, you don't have enough roll cage in it for what it'll do. I bet on everything it'll run 490.
490 is pretty quick. 490 is pretty quick, especially being full interior and a stereo in it. We're talking 490.
And it bangs too. It's got one star 8, and it bangs. I mean, people are like, what is that?
Absolutely.
We like to have fun,
Man, absolutely, man. This thing's pretty remarkable, man. Pretty remarkable. It doesn't look like we're going to get to make any more runs tonight, as it looks.
You never know, they might drive the track off. But they're supposed to be done at 9:30 or something.
Right. Absolutely. Who knows, man?
Get inside before you go.
Absolutely. We'll check it out, man. Boost the Burden, James Rowlett, man. Check him out, man. He's got an amazing shop down there. Does some incredible work. This dude's absolutely.
Contractual obligation. This is Malcolm's story.
Absolutely.
Little Duke, right there.
Duke, this is my boy, James Rowlett. Hey, he's awesome. I love him to death. I say he's my boy, but he more like my brother.
Absolutely. That's what we like to hear out here, man. Absolutely, man. I appreciate that. What's going on, guys? It's the Governor over here. We're at Cash Days in Clarksville 2021. First time out here for a long time. It's been a minute, but we got Cash Days going on. We got Reno King here with armor coating. All right, he made all the trophies for Cash Days out here in Clarksville. We kind of just want to showcase them.
Check these boys out.
These things are pretty amazing, man.
Fire.
He does everything from all the metal work all the way to all the powder coating, and went ahead and hooked us up with a flag so we can put it in the future shop. So we're gonna get that in there. But yeah, man, let's walk around, look at some of the stuff we've got going on. If you want to say a few things, Reno, man, shoot it.
Yeah, thanks. So I got my business armor coating. We also got Mid-10 Designs. That's who does all the metal work. Jonathan's really awesome at CAD design and stuff like that. We can pretty much make anything become reality. You got an idea, we can make it happen. These trophies we made on the fly for Cash Days, just something different. They said just go with it. Marlon was like, hey, I don't have any idea, y'all just make it happen. So Jonathan came in, made these trophies. We did all of our colors, in every class a little something different. Something that you can't put on your shelf every day. You ain't going to go out to an event and get this kind of custom work. So that's what we do, man.
Absolutely. They got a whole bunch of colors to choose from, man. Anything you need,
Color
powder coated.
flip-flops, some of this stuff we make on site.
Absolutely.
We will mix colors and make it happen. Something not every powder coat shop can do.
Hey, this stuff's actually really, really durable. So heavy race cars, anything like that, where you're making a lot of noise, flexing a lot and stuff of that nature, got stuff flying up at it. It's not gonna bust, scratch the paint or anything like that. It's gonna stay intact. So check these guys out, man. We're gonna walk around the show, check out some other things, and check out some race cars, see what we've got going on here.
Really appreciate it, buddy. Thanks, man.
Yeah.